So how's it going, people? Back with something a little bit different today. Today we are going to look at the Sony A6400. This ain't really a review to test the camera, because there are plenty of those out there on the internet. This is more of a review of UK Camera Club. So for those of you that are thinking about ordering from UK Camera Club, then this is for you. It's next day delivery, which is perfect. The whole process has been pretty speedy and straightforward. I was a little bit skeptical at first and wondering where to buy new camera equipment from, etc., and get products like that, but thought we'd give it a try, and here it is. So let's take a look. So the box is well packaged, as you'd expect, handled with care. So we're just gonna get in there real quick. Okay, I've actually opened it upside down, but it's okay. Right. So this is how it comes, fully bubble wrapped, which is perfect. And on this occasion, I get a free SD card, so this is perfect. So for those of you that want to bang an SD card in and go shooting with your camera straight away, you can do this. So that's a really nice touch. Not many camera companies do that. I know even PC World and companies like that don't often do promotions, so it's nice to receive something for free for a change. Okay, so let me move this. Here is the thing that we've all been waiting for, and again bubble wrapped, which is nice. Really well wrapped, actually. So bear with me while I dabble to get in here. Right, I am there. Right, here it is. So what I'll do is I'll unbox the camera, and then we'll just have a quick look at it. Again, I'm not going to do a full review on this because there are plenty of those out there. If anyone wants to know any questions about this camera, then you can feel free to let me know in the comments section, and I will do my best to answer any queries you guys have, as usual, and obviously talk about more things that this camera can do if you want me to. So let's just get in here quick. So like I said, really well packaged, UK Camera Club, next day delivery, free SD card. One of the cheapest prices on the internet at the minute for this camera. You can't go wrong, really. So far so good. Right. Now bear with me while I see how to get into this camera. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight down. Right, instructions. It's good to see that logo again. That looks good already. And you'll know why I'm saying that in a minute. So we've got that looks like the shoulder strap, I presume. Power cable. Battery. And another one. Or maybe they're not. Maybe, okay, this is the battery. This one is part of the charger. Transformer. USB there. And that looks like the eye cup. Right, now the camera itself. Just going to move that out of the way so we've got some space. Some of this. Right. So, camera is in this little protective case. And here it is. It actually feels amazing to be holding one of these things after looking at so many reviews and stuff like that myself for so long and contemplating whether or not to try this out. Seems to be the best camera in its class at the moment. Not that heavy either, which is good. Nice grip here for the hand. Oh, that feels good. That's really stable actually. Some cameras I've used in the past, the wheel has been quite, flimsy and not got a lot of give, well, got too much give rather, but this feels quite nice. Same with that scroll wheel. You can tell it feels like a really well built premium product. You can just tell immediately. Flip out screen. I'm actually nervous, I don't want to break it. But no, it's very robust, I must say. When I saw people doing it and it looked flimsy when I've been watching videos, but this screen is so robust. It's not loose at all. It's really solid. It's really, really solid. So you'd flip it up like that and put it on your tripod to see, bring it up higher like that. But I am liking what I see so far. All the buttons, everything feels very premium, which is what you'd expect for a Sony product. Okay, and with this lens, it has the power zoom here. So you just press that little scroll button, which is quite a nice little touch. That's nice. Right, and the reason I was saying I've missed this logo is because I haven't used one of these cameras since this bad boy. So this is the Sony A290. And this was the last time I had something in the alpha range. So yeah, this was my first digital SLR. So yeah, this one's, I believe, over 10 years old now, well over 10 years old. And it's still holding up to the test of time. But yeah, you can see why, I mean, even this is good build quality. If you think about the camera of its time, this was great. And I mean, it's still great now. It still serves a purpose, but it's obviously more limited in terms of what you can and can't do. So yeah, if we're gonna, you know what, let's compare the two actually, just so you can see if you're a big digital SLR person and maybe you're moving from one of those to these. Let's have a look. So right away you can obviously see size differences. For a start, one's got 16 to 50 on the lens and the other one's got 18 to 55, so you know, not huge differences there, but you can tell the size of those, body size. It's all pretty self-explanatory, which is what you would expect. But yeah, just in case anyone was wondering, and you know, I know I didn't see too many videos of a camera like this being side by side with one of these. So yeah, again, just for reference, not for any particular reason or to get too technical. We're not looking to get into that. This is literally just to talk about you know, UK Camera Club mainly, and the products that they sell. So okay, I'm going to end the video there. Again, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. But first impressions of UK Camera Club are very good. They've already sent over more correspondence and delivery information, which is good. So yeah, I'd suggest that, you know, you give them a try if you're on the fence and maybe you're looking to get a new camera. So give it a go, and I'll see you guys in the next video.